What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me on another video. It is crazy how much things people donate to thrift stores and stuff like that they think it's junk, but has so much value. You'll see on today's video, I found a lot of great stuff that I'm gonna make a lot of money reselling online. Anyone can do it. The hardest part about it is probably the shipping part, but that's a whole nother video. It's easy to learn. Let's jump into the video and see exactly what I found. We got to the first store. Let's go see if they got anything good. We didn't find no shoes, but we're gonna go ahead into hard goods, see what we find. You can tell I did hit the jackpot though. First off, the Sony VCR. They only want 10 bucks for this, but the sell-through rate on eBay for this is crazy. I think it sells for like 50 bucks, 50 to 70. Like if you have the control and the cables and all that, you'll probably get like closer to 100, but just in this condition, easy 60, 70 bucks. Picked up 3 of these little Playmobiles. They're like, I don't know, Legos, I don't know, but they're brand new and they only want 7 bucks for each of these. These 2 big ones should give me like almost 50 bucks each. And then I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one for my daughter. I'm gonna go ahead and give her this one. It's a smaller one, but they want the same price, 7 bucks, but this one I can't find any similar comps to it, so that's why I'm just gonna go ahead and give it to my daughter so she can play with it. I also did find this one. It's a Flamingos. It's a Brazilian team. The 2XL, they only want $8.99. This is the Parley edition. I think I should be able to get anywhere from 30 to 40 for this one. Following that jersey, I also found these 2, but I'm gonna go ahead and give them to my brother. He wanted them on this super cool USA jersey. Only 7 bucks. It's a pretty cool one. It's like a training top. Should get like 30 for this one. Just sold that USA jersey. Literally 30 minutes later. 30 bucks, easy. I'm gonna go into this Goodwill. It's like a little boutique right here. It always has good shoes, so hopefully we can find actually good shoes today. And they're always pretty good prices. Sells for like 30 bucks and I only paid $3.99. I just saw it, thought it was cool, and I was like, I wonder if it has value. And look at that, it does. Just pulled up right now to this house. I'm about to buy a Patagonia jacket I found on Facebook Market, and I'm gonna resell it for good money. I'll show you once I get it. There's the little Patagonia vest that I was talking about. It's a men's size medium. It's not the best size, but a good size. These actually sell very well. I was willing to pay up $25 for it. This one should resell for about like 70 to 100. We're gonna be pulling into Thrift Town. I haven't been here like a year, but let's go see if they got anything to resell. Alright, I only found 2 pairs of shoes with 3. I don't know about that one yet, but I will for sure take these 2 right here. I only want 10 bucks for these. These are in great condition. And there's a big size on that same pair. It's just like a size like 15 or something. But I'll take both of them, 10 bucks each. I also picked three more pairs up. Got these Ultra right here. They're super sweet, clean condition. They want 9 bucks for these. They should give me easy 50 after a good cleanup. I guess just a Brooks kind of day. Got these Brooks right here. These are a newer version. I'm gonna pay up a bit at 17. But I'm pretty confident I should get 60. And these Brook right here, super clean. Check out all these pair of Brooks that you see here. If you go to a store and try to buy them brand new, you're gonna spend well over 100 bucks each. If you come to my eBay store, you're gonna spend way less than that. Here in the jeans section, I found the silver tabs. They do want 9 bucks for these, but they're a pretty good size, 36 by 32. I'm gonna think about it. These Wrangler fire resistant jeans are definitely gonna be a pickup. Pink tag is 70% off, so whatever 70% off is up 10. These sell very good for about 30. A pair of jeans, the brand new Levi's. These are big and tall. They're size 46 right there, but they're brand new and pink tag is 70% off. These are only gonna be like 6 to 7 bucks. I'm gonna take these sell well. Check out the comp. Patagonia jeans right here. Blue tag, half off for $7. I'll take them. That's why I like to look at the women's side also. It's a Patagonia, it's a nice one. I'm gonna pay up a little bit, 15, but pretty confident I should get close to 50 for this, if not more. It's the time to sell it. And I found another one. Nice little Patagonia. This one's gonna be 12, but I'll take it. We talked about this brand before. Cool, great brand. I only want $6 for this one. Might keep it, don't know yet. But this one sells for like 25. And the last thing I'm gonna take, it's half off. So I'm gonna be paying 20 bucks for this. USA, it's a women's hockey jersey, but it sells very good for about 70 to 80. It's brand new with tags also right there. That right there was a great stop. Let's go on to the next one. I just stopped really quick at Marshall, see if I can just find anything. I'm mostly trying to find some shoes, maybe some soccer jerseys here. Check out this crazy jersey I just found. It's a Spurs jersey. They only want 40 bucks, but the retail on this was 150. This is a Mitchell Ness. These are Hyper Hoops. I don't know who the heck Robinson is, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I'm gonna try to sell it locally, probably for about 80 bucks. And another jersey right here, 30 bucks for this one. It's the H-Town Rockets. I got no idea who Westbrook is, but for 30 bucks, I'm gonna go ahead and take it. All right, guys, that is it. That's all I picked up. If you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and remember, there's always a lot of money here in the US to make. Go get it.